It's been a while since I've tried this. The CIRCUL Ring support team wanted me to show them that the rings aren't connecting. So this is the blue one. I placed it in the charger several minutes ago. So there's the blue ring. It's in there correctly. I mean, it really only goes in one way, or I guess two ways, but so now it's in there. Open up the app, go to home, set up new ring. Okay. Plug in charging cradle, place the ring in the cradle, and close the cradle after light flash. Pull down this page to rescan the ring via Bluetooth, then click the correct ring serial number as your ring to connect. Okay. So I pull that down, rescan. I'm thinking I have to open the lid. Okay. And nothing. I mean, to show Bluetooth is on, I'm also charging my Oura Ring 3, updating, and that's going to show connected. Okay, so Bluetooth is working on the phone. So we'll restart the Circul app. Wait a minute. So I'll wait just a minute at 7:31. I'll go ahead and just close the case for a few minutes. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. I think that's long enough. So we'll reopen the app, synchronizing the data, set up new ring. So we'll open up there and pull down. Nothing. It's not detecting the ring. And just a few days ago, I tried the same thing. I left this in the charger for 2 hours and then tried it, and it still did not communicate. So from what I can tell, this ring is completely dead. Or the Bluetooth is being all funky. But there's the case. No damage to the case. I don't know what to tell you, Circul. Please send me a new one, and I'll send you back this old one and the case. Sure, we can do that. Know what you'd like to do. Thank you.